Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to set up TECNO Spark 20C for a senior person. And to do this, first let's open our settings. Inside we want to scroll down and look for accessibility. It should be in the special functions right here. On the bottom there's accessibility. First, let's enter text in the display. Inside we'll be able to adjust our font size, and I'm gonna make it as big as possible. You can of course make it medium or smaller, however you like. Then there's color correction and color inversion. If you need one of those settings or both of them, you can enable them. Then there's remove animations, which will reduce motion sickness while using the phone. Then there's high contrast text, which add a black outline to all of the text on your phone, and it's mostly visible on the home screen. Like right here, you can see that the text is much more readable. Now let's go back to the accessibility, and then there's magnification. I would enable it. That way you'll get the accessibility button floating around your screen. You can click on it anytime. That way you'll enter magnification mode, click anywhere else on your screen, and it should zoom in. And if you want to zoom out, then click on the same icon again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.